Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: The Panchayati Raj movement is in distress. The Hindu. Now headline in detail: The Panchayati Raj movement is in distress. The Hindu. Panchayat now operated in a very different development paradigm. Subhojit Chattopadhyay is an international development professional with experience across Africa and South Asia and has a specific interest in decentralized governance. The special discussion in Parliament on 75th anniversary of the Indian Constitution has long passed, while several silent aspects of the constitutional and policy directions adopted by previous governments were highlighted or heard very little on a vital aspect of governance in India. The 73rd Amendment of the Constitution passed in 1992 is one of the landmarks of India's journey as a constitutional republic, establishing the Panchayati Raj system. However, the momentum towards deepening local governance in India has stalled. Big shifts in both technology and society are threatening to make panchayats relevant unless we are prepared to rethink their role. The 73rd Amendment initiated the processes of institutionalizing discrimination in rural India. The 30-year system at the village, block and district levels with a regular cycle of local elections and 50% reservation for women, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes kicked off a movement that took democracy to the grassroots, thus emphasizing the importance of local representation and inclusion the political leaderships. There is one bright spot. Panchayati Raj elections are known keenly contested in many parts of the country. There have been many success stories, possibly the most notable of them being the scale of women participation in leadership. Nearly 40 lakhs elected women representatives. The Constitution also mandated state finance commissions to recommend the quantum of funds that should flow to local governments as well as the administrative mechanism by which it should that place various social sector programs are now implemented through local governments, particularly gram panchayat, village level local government. But one must look at the longer term systematic factors that have affected the evolution of the Panchayati Raj movement in India. Panchayat now operate in a very different development paradigm where paradigm from when they were originally introduced, and there is now a real risk that the spirit of the Panchayati Raj movement will die. Decline the big shift. Let us look at four such big shifts. First, administrative declaration has plateaued in order to function effectively. State governments need to develop staff to local governments and set administrative control. Similarly, the flow of untied grants that flow to local governments needs to increase to enhance autonomy in local decision making. Having made an initially set to reforms, the sense of one gets in is that there is no momentum. A report in 2022 by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj showed that less than 20% of states have developed all 29 subject lists in the 11th schedule of the Constitutional. Fourth is the rapid urbanization that India has seen in recent decades. In 1919, nearly three-quarters of India lived in rural areas. This has now decreased to around 60% and is going down steadily. The consistent trend of urbanization has meant that the policy focus of development has shifted to India's cities and towns. Municipal reforms, both of governance and financing, is the main priority of today. Best to revive the system. As highlighted, it is evident that over the last decade, the view from the top increasingly one that treats panchayati merely as last meal delivery in investment for social sector seems in rural India. This view of local governance is not conducive to a revival of panchayat in the country. We need to look further out and talk more to people in order to reestablish the momentum behind local governance reforms and to support what is it still a significant proportion of India's population that lives in its village. We need to adopt a new vision for Panchayati Raj in India.